Good morning, everyone. It's October 9th. It's just before 8 o'clock in the morning. I did make a video, did not make a video yesterday. I started to, but it wasn't working out in my favor, so I had to hold them overnight. Unfortunately, right? I can still go over the plays with you a little bit on the 15-minute chart on what happened. Um, the black is yesterday, so in the beginning of the day, price went up. I bought a call, went down. I bought another call to average down, kept going. It should have been a little more patient and let it rip down a little bit more, but then I thought it was going to come up, so I bought another call. And then I watched it and watched it. Didn't get anywhere, and then at the end of the day, I bought another call. The the least, the lowest, I guess, of the day. So I've got 4 calls going in that expire in a week, and about here is my zero, 32.10. So going into this morning, it's up. Amazon's up to 32.14. Right, it closed yesterday at 31.90 and 55, and it's up right here about $15. Oh, up and down, up and down. Okay, so was my zero yesterday. I'm gonna lose a little bit from theta, the time decay. Uh, Amazon has been a little more volatile lately because of the price jumping up and down. But if you overall look at it, it's not really moving that much in the grand scheme of things. You had that big long deal, so your volatility was higher, and then you got it kind of stabled out through here. So the more stable it is, the more theta is going to get you. Um, so we'll look for my new zero to probably be around this 32.15 mark, maybe even just a little bit higher. So when the bell opens, I'm probably looking to get rid of at least half of these, 2 of the 4, right? Maybe even 3 of the 4, just depends. Um, but if we look at, there's 15, we look at the daily chart, we're still up. We gapped up again. Well, you can't see it yet because it hasn't started the candle, but we'll be gapping up again. We're still going to be bright green. And then if I look at the 4-hour chart, overnight we kind of took this little step, and then we're up. Um, we're bright green again, so that's a good look for the open. Um, kind of stepping up. We're getting ready to cross back, right? So all day yesterday, I was looking at this, wanting to do nothing really. I was kind of waiting for the cross, and then it kind of crossed, and then it kind of went and did this. So now we're looking for the cross back up on the hourly, and basically that's it. And then I got this Apple where I did pretty much the same thing. Um, uh, I can maximize this cell. So this is the Apple. Pretty much the same thing. Bought a call. Don't really need this green line in there. Don't want to confuse. Uh, we have 3 of them. We bought one. I can't even remember now. Yeah, we bought one like right here and started making a couple bucks, and then everything fell. Bought another one, averaged down, started making a couple bucks, and everything fell. And then bought a third one basically at the low. So we did decent there. So now our new zero is right here at this 115.35. We should be up a little bit, but again, that theta is going to get us, so it's probably going to move it up, I don't know, maybe 10 cents or something. So we're looking to do the same thing. If we're up, we might look to get rid of at least one of these 3, right? Because if we're up, we might as well save what we got, and if it goes on a run, at least we'll have 1 or 2 left in our pocket that we can make some money with. I mean, it's just real close, right? So that 15-minute just closed. It's now pre-market for the next 30 minutes, so we'll keep an eye on that. It's slowing down a little bit. Um, we're trying to get our money back anyway, right? At least get our money back. And if not, we've got until Friday, a week from now. So again, we got to keep on fighting theta. Our next stop looks like it'd probably be right in this area somewhere. 3220, 3222.50, probably in this area. Yeah, I probably had to get on a bigger time frame. Let's just look at the 4 hour. Yeah, it looks like we're breaking through some resistance now. Our next stop on the 4 hour is 3222.50 ish. If I was to extend that left just to see what else it crosses over, we can check it out. Got a little touch there, little touch there, little touch there, little touch there. So that number is what? Yeah, 2250. So I mean, it's a fairly legit resistant line. So if we get up there, 2250, then we can maybe try to peak a new high. It was just all a little consolidation brick kind of square going on right through here, and then we kind of broke out of it. So we want to see where we go. We might come up here and consolidate some more and come back down, consolidate, go back up. It's just hard to tell right now, but we'd really like for these. Yeah, see that one, that 4 hour was bright green overnight, but now it's just green. So hopefully we can break up through there and something happens, get our money back. I'll catch up. All right, we got about 20 seconds till the open. You can kind of see we got pretty close to 32.15, and then the last couple minutes it's just wanting to drop. Same thing with Apple. We had this up, 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 and then boom, we had this reversal in the last couple minutes. So there's the bell. Took a shot. Just want to kind of see where I'm sitting as far as up or down. I can log into my Robinhood. Higher than normal traffic. Oh, great. So I've gained some, lost, I'm still down. I have to do the math real quick, but um, anyway, so yeah, great big drop off. That sucks. So we're going back to where we ended the day yesterday. We find some support, maybe it'll bounce back up, but that sucks. So I'll do some math, find my new zero, and then I'll do the same for Apple, and then I'll catch back up if any moves are made. All right, I'm back. It looks like my new zero is roughly 217. Got awfully close to it. I got awfully close back to zero. So we'll watch it for a minute, and then the new zero on Apple was a little bit worse. Looks like it brought up my average above everything to 115.70. It was down here at 115.25 ish. Now I forget, but we're down just a little bit on Apple. Again, we got a week before that expires. And then again, I'm at 32.17 roughly. Right now it says that I'm down. Well, I'm up $5. So 32.17 is a pretty good number. We're gonna try to get up to 32.22.50 roughly. So we'll watch it for a minute. Seems like everything's wanting to go up for a little bit. I don't want to, that big old drawdown, and I didn't want to go too long holding these contracts. So probably try to get out of a couple of them. I mean, we're turning up on the 1 hour chart, and our next stop looks like it's up here a little bit. Yeah, 22.15. So we get up to that 32.20 mark, I might start letting them go. I don't know. We're just basically got our money back from yesterday. Now we're working on trying to make a profit. So I'll catch up here in a little bit. All right, we are back. I kind of stair-stepped out of here, and then I don't know. I think I made roughly $1,200 in 2 days. So it wasn't the best. I mean, I could have held them on and waited for them to peak. Um, that was that original price from yesterday. Is where they got back to. Where I bought is where I sold my last one roughly. Um, I mean, I started stair stepping. Once I was in the money, I started stair stepping out, and I could have been a lot better off, but I was just making sure I made some of that money back because, I mean, that was all day yesterday. I didn't get anything except for down, and then waited for it to bounce back, and which it did because it came down here and started to coil up, and then it just let loose after hours in pre-market, and then there was the end of it right here. I mean, it can still go up for. I mean, it's on the hourly chart and it's just getting warmed up, so I mean, it can go on forever. And then you can see that this Apple, it it did well for us, and then I screwed up. So um, I was selling them. You got to click over here to sell to close, and I kept leaving it on buy to open. So that was I I don't know. So I had three of them sold, bought one. Now I've got so three or two, one, buy it, two, sell two, which I did. So should have any, and then it wasn't doing anything. So I screwed up and bought two more. I'm not used to using the computer on Robinhood anyway. Yeah, so I've got two contracts which were in the money, but who knows? It could just come on tumbling down. So that is a small account, so I can't sell. I'll be flagged as a pattern day trader. It says so. 1 second. All right, I'm back. Just looking at this Robinhood account. I just wanted to show you the history. It just always has this withdrawal. I didn't withdraw any money. That was from last week, which I'm thinking that I'm going to keep money in there, and instead of buying smaller contracts, I'll be able to afford the larger contracts. The same plan. Um, I might just buy two contracts at once. Two smaller contracts at once, get dollar for dollar instead of 50 cents on the dollar, and then be able to average down the same way I would normally, but I would just be doing it twice. So I'd be buying two contracts, I have average down, I would buy two more. I have to average down, buy two more. Right? I mean, that can go extremely well, it can go extremely bad. But 1 second, I just want to show you. Look at that. Yeah, we were about right here was when we sold that last one. So, I mean, another four contracts you've been getting. It hurts me sometimes to watch it, but I mean, it is what it is. Missed out on quite a bit of that parabolic move to the north, but it's all good. Um, didn't quite hit my goal for the week, but it's okay. All right, so we'll go over these what we did. Yesterday was the 8th, canceled one. This is clear. We bought the first one 73.10. Average down, it looks like. Bought the second one 57.50. Bought a third one 52.95. So we're averaging down still. And then bought the last one, it looks like, at 49.60. Holy shit. Excuse my language. Right. Plus 49.60. All right, so we're all in there at $23,315. So we started to sell this morning, 16 minutes ago. Minus 6,005. Minus 6120. Minus 6110. Minus. See, I was getting nervous there. And then minus 6305. Puts us at 1225. So made 1225 in 2 days, and Amazon is just crushing it. Man, we missed out on that. Breaks my heart, man. Oh. I'll just show it to you real quick. Look at that. Oh my gosh. High of 47, 32.47. So if we would have kept all those this morning, that zero would have been right here at 17. That'd have been $30 to the plus at $2. That'd have been like $6,000. Alright, $6,000. So we just made 1225, I believe. Right. So I'll show you what it was. We're doing all right all week, and then yesterday it got kind of choppy for us. We kept averaging down. We had the daily chart in our favor. We finished the week. This is the week now. We finished the week yesterday negative $306 from 35. Boom. So that means we were down 3,800 on that trade. And then this morning we were able to make 47.33 back. So being from 38.12 down to 47.33 up, that's $1,225. That's split up in 2 days, so you're looking at $612.50 a day, $612.50 a day. Still not bad. Not our goal. Still not bad. It's a short video. I didn't want to show you all yesterday's sadness, blah, 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 right? All of this. But you get the idea. The price, you get the less expensive contracts. All your charts are saying that it's going to go up, It's just not going up today. It's still going to go up, but just not today. So we average down. Didn't go our way. We went down $30. We bought another one. Went down another $30. Bought another one. Right? Came up, got one. At the end of the day, I just snuck another one in because all the charts say it's going to go up. And look, it went up. The high today is 32.47. I was just trying to get to 32.17. And I was actually trying to get to 32.10 yesterday to break even. So we lost $7 overnight, and then it went up another $30. So, yeah. Anyway, just time to reflect. I just didn't want to show you all this choppy. It's a long 6.5 hours, of just watching this, and then just go to sleep, wake up, and then boom. Okay? It is a short video. If you like it, hit the thumbs up, subscribe, turn on notifications, share with a friend. I'll leave some links down below for Robinhood, Acorns, Yotta. I'll leave some more links for more YouTube videos of other people who know more than me that you can learn about candlesticks, trends, entry points. I don't know, more than me. Other than that, I would say that's a wrap. Amazon's crushing it. I am not a part of that any longer. I screwed up on Robinhood because it's going to flag me as a day trader on the small account because I accidentally bought instead of sold, so I'm screwed up there. But there's my zero. I've got 2 contracts. Well, actually, no, my zero is going to be a little bit higher because I was goofing off. So I bet my zero's at like 116. Oh, God. So let's just hopefully it bounces up above this, finds some support, and just kind of hangs out up over there over the weekend. Yeah. Oh, God. Oh, 20-minute video. I don't know. I'm going into the weekend. Peace.